Good morning. We are starting our day off with breakfast. We also asked for a room change this morning, and we got our bus booked for Monday when we leave. So this is Dude's breakfast. Some eggs, toast, and a crepe. And that's Kyle's. And then this is mine. This is just juice. So. All dressed, got a beach bag, they're dressed. We're heading to the beach. I need to lay in the sun for a good period of time.
Alright, should we go see a kitty?
Yes. Look at those pretty flowers, dude, on that tree. Oh yeah, they'll clean that up in no time. I think it's a boy, just by the face, but I don't know. Gonna be your new best friend or what? Damien would find the only animal. Although I think I found it, but. Okay, say goodbye.
Bye. Did you follow us?
Don't get it to follow. We'll be back.
Oh, right, that's my no, that's the sun.
Have to be careful of the foot on these ones. Welcome to Cuba. The reason why we're here. I want to go down over there, I think. Back to the room. Hopefully you can hear me. Dude and I just went in the ocean together. Anyways, Kyle's gonna head back to the room. He's not feeling good, so. Brr, it's chilly with the wind. Mommy and Dude having lunch. Mommy had a rum and punch. Dude had just the punch, but he didn't like it. But he finally got his vanilla ice cream. So. No. Don't, Damien, please. I'm just packing up some of our stuff so that when we switch rooms, we're ready to go. Oh my gosh. Yeah, when we get ready to go to the other room. I think I told you guys that we were gonna switch, but Kyle's just gone down for a bite to eat now that we're back, and he's gonna grab me a drink on the way back up, and I'm gonna just continue packing. Changed and I'm all dry now, and now I have all of our stuff packed up, ready to move, and Kyle's just gonna do his after, but waiting for that stuff to dry, and then we're pretty much ready to go at 5 o'clock.
Get her, dude.
We're gonna head to the lobby and grab our next key, and I'm sure they're gonna end up helping us to our new room. Mucho feliz! Oh, so much better. This is what I was hoping for. Mucho feliz.
Yes.
Very happy.
Very happy.
Very happy. Mucho feliz, madame. I feel much better. So pretty. This is what we came here for. I'm so happy. Beautiful, beautiful. Bello.
Action.
Welcome to our Cuba Iberostar Bella Vista room. This is our second room, actually. We moved from downstairs, so come on in. So first we have our foyer. You can see we have our shoes down there, and then you walk in and you have a closet, which, oops, Kyle put all of his clothes here and his shoes and stuff, and we have a safe. And then on this side, we have, maybe not. We have my clothes and some shoes, Damien's shoes, and then Kyle hung a couple shirts. And then to this way, quickly, we have a mirror. And then in here, we have the shower. You can see, it's quite orange. Not sure how I like the color palette, but it'll do. And then we have the mirror, sink, and all of our toiletries. And then in here, we just have a toilet. And then moving on into the main area, we opted for the king size bed and the small bed. This gives lots of room, where I feel like the two twin or the doubles, one of us would have slept with Damien and it would have been too tight. So we opted for the king and then the small. So we have all our luggage down here. Kyle's stuff is empty. I have a few things left in here, and Damien's is empty. And then for Damien, we used only one drawer in here, and then I used 2 drawers. So I have my bathing suits, my shirts, dress in there, and then I have bras, underwear, and my shorts. In here we have a fridge. They do provide water, and this is my personal item that I brought, and then my beach bag, which we've used already a lot. Kyle's hat and Damien's snorkel and mask. We each have a nightstand on either side with a light and plugs, and I was curious about it, but they do have the regular like US or Canadian plugs, plus like the Cuban or what do they call it? Like, I don't know. Anyways, the foreign plugs. And then of course Damien's bed. We do have a table with a mirror here. We have moved the chairs to outside, which is the best part. And this is what we came here for, is this view. So we switched rooms, one, because the room was really musty, and two, the music was really loud. We're hoping that the higher floor will help because we were right near the music. So anyways, we put the chairs out here. Obviously we have to use the railing as a drying rack, and we have a massive sliding glass door. As you can see, we have a beautiful view now of the ocean, the sunsets right there, the pool, and the hotel. That is the lobby floor there with a deck, and then down there is the buffet, and this is absolutely stunning. So that is our little room tour. As you can see, I am already burnt, but yeah, I'm much muy feliz, which means very happy, and I am so glad that we decided to ask for a different room because the other room did smell musty. It was very run down. This one we walked in and it smelled like chlorine, so much better. I'm so happy. Dude is just hanging out, playing Nintendo Switch, and we're gonna relax finally for the first time, I think, in the day and a half that we've been here. So, are you happier?
Yes.
Yes.
You're happy, I'm happy.
That's how it works, people. Anyways, even divorced. Well, we're not divorced, but separated.
Sure.
Yes, much happier and stoked to finally be here in such a beautiful place and be able to appreciate it the way we were hoping to. Okay, it's about 10 to 7, so we are going to get ready to head down to the buffet. Tomorrow I think we're gonna do one of the restaurants, but tonight we just wanted to like get up here in the new room and settled. And Kyle's still not feeling the greatest. He said he's cold, so we're gonna go eat something. Hopefully we can find something for Damien. He's been doing well with trying new foods, but he's still being very picky. So hopefully by the end of this week he'll have a better time. But I'm super stoked for steak and sauteed veggies. Wow, I'm super red. Well, we're gonna deal with that, but.
Yeah, you want to be red.
Well,
You're attempting to burn
I never
yourself.
like,
Adding
I
oil
never
to your
like my
skin.
face red, but my body doesn't go, like,
Oh,
compared to my face,
thank you. This is the issue with you.
my body is like nothing, but
Same burning stuff.
I'm gonna have to put some sunscreen on my face tomorrow. Okay, let's go to,
I'm gonna have some hot Sanity tonight.
we didn't have a card at the other door either.
I think the car was there. I don't know. I ordered this for.
Okay, let's go to dinner. Had to run back and get some tip money so I can go get my drink. Oh, I had to bring my cup too. But I brought some tip money and my cup so I can get a drink before dinner. So number 2, please. So we can go to the bar first. Numero 2?
The elevators are broken or something.
Some of them. Numero 2? All the windows are open. Planta? Oh, planta, a new word. Mommy doesn't know that word yet. Holy bright. Dos. 2. Yeah. And computers and... So this is the lobby, which I don't think I've filmed yet, but hopefully there's someone at the bar. See, see? Oh yes, see? Dinner tonight. Looking forward to the steak, looking forward to the sauteed vegetables, and then they have, I think, a Mexican rice.
Hot dog.
Oh, it's a hot dog. So that's what Kyle got, and that's what Munker got.
That goes right from the mahi.
Okay, this Mexican rice was really, really good. And then dude wanted to try some desserts, and we each got some ice cream. Okay, we're back. I am overstuffed, and Damien fed the cat that's outside some mahi. He's named it Oreo officially. I'm sure the cat has had a million names since it's lived here, but I'm going to change into pajamas and call it an early night, I think.
And Mommy will put gel on my back.
Yeah. I was up pretty late last night, so I want an early night. But anyways, if you like this video, give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and we will see you tomorrow in Cuba. Bye!